Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into the ultimate 2026 automation showdown. We are breaking down the three absolute heavyweights in workflow automation: n8n, Make, and Zapier. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, the whole automation landscape has shifted massively lately, and picking the right tool right now is literally the key to maximizing your earning potential.
So let's kick things off with the question that is probably on your mind right now. Which of these platforms is actually going to save you time and, more importantly, make you the most money this year? We're going to compare these three across the board, from what they cost to their AI capabilities, so you can walk away knowing exactly which one is right for you.
Okay, really quick look at our roadmap. We'll start with 1, the 2026 automation boom. 2, Zapier, fast and easy. 3, Make, the visual builder. 4, n8n, the AI powerhouse. 5, choosing your perfect match. And finally 6, earning with your skills. Let's get into it.
Section 1, the 2026 automation boom. We need to talk about why automation is absolutely a necessity today.
This right here completely hits the nail on the head. The stakes are so incredibly high right now. Businesses are waking up to the fact that automation isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a competitive necessity. Because of that, the demand for specialists across these three platforms is growing way faster than the supply. We're not just plugging apps together anymore, we're building intelligent engines that run entire modern businesses.
Moving on to Section 2, Zapier. Fast and easy, the integration king. If you don't have a technical background, definitely listen up here.
6,000. Honestly, that number is just wild. Zapier has an unmatched library of over 6,000 native app integrations. Basically, if a piece of software exists, even if it's some super niche regional tool, it's highly likely Zapier can connect to it out of the box. If you just want things to work without overthinking it, Zapier is your best friend. It lets anyone build a working automation in minutes. You get this super simple, straightforward step-by-step editor, and they even have an AI builder now, where you just type what you want in plain English and it builds it for you. For fast, simple setups, it is tough to beat.
But there's always a catch, right? That insane convenience definitely comes at a premium. Zapier is the most expensive option we're looking at today. Their free plan is highly restrictive. You only get 100 single-step tasks a month. So if you actually want to do any serious building, you're going to be looking at paid plans starting around $20 a month, and trust me, that adds up fast as you scale.
All right, Section 3, Make, the visual builder, often called the visual powerhouse. Let's step up to the middle ground. $9. That is what really catches your eye here. Make's paid plans start at just $9 a month, and that gets you a massive 10,000 operations. Pound for pound, that makes it the most affordable cloud option out there right now.
Make is fantastic for visual thinkers and small agencies. Why? Because it's kind of like a whiteboard for your data. You get this very intuitive circular builder that handles highly complex branching without making you mess around with servers. Plus, they give you a super generous free plan of 1,000 operations, which is plenty of room to test things out before you spend a dime.
So to put them head-to-head really quickly, Zapier is your straight line, A to B, very linear. Make, on the other hand, is for when you need complex, multi-branching loops. It basically gives non-developers a ridiculous amount of power to route and filter data, and it does it at a much lower price point.
Which brings us to Section 4, n8n, the AI powerhouse and the AI agent leader. This is where things get seriously advanced.
0. That is literally my favorite number. n8n's Community Edition is completely free to self-host. And get this, there are absolutely no limits on the number of workflows or executions. You can scale your automation empire as big as you want, and your platform costs will still be exactly 0.
Think about what that means for a second. Because there are no subscription fees eating up your budget, n8n lets you keep way more of the margin on your client projects. It's an incredibly high-return skill. And on top of that, if you do know how to code, you can drop custom JavaScript directly into its code nodes to handle complex edge cases that the other platforms just can't touch.
But here is the absolute game changer for 2026, n8n's native AI integration. They have these built-in AI agent nodes that let you easily orchestrate autonomous AI decisions right inside your visual canvas. We're talking direct integration with OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and LangChain. You get incredibly smart, multi-step AI pipelines right out of the box without writing external code. Section 5, Choosing Your Perfect Match, the ultimate showdown. Let's put these three side by side. When you lay it all out like this, the choices become really clear, don't they? Zapier undeniably takes the crown for sheer app connections. It's perfect for complete beginners. Make is your value king, perfect for visual teams that need complex logic on a budget. And n8n, it just completely crushes it on AI capabilities and zero-cost scaling, making it an absolute powerhouse for freelancers.
All right, section 6, earning with your skills. Let's talk about the fun part, how to actually monetize all this.
Businesses right now are practically begging people to help them eliminate manual work. And you've got options. You can do one-off freelance builds, charging anywhere from a couple $100 to $1,500 a project. You can land ongoing monthly retainers. You could sell templates you've already built. Or, hey, start a full-blown agency offering all 3 platforms to fit whatever budget your client has.
If you're wondering, okay, but how long is this going to take me, check out this realistic timeline. Spend month 1 just learning the basics and building a few workflows. By month 2, you're picking up simple gigs, and by month 6, most people who stay consistent are hitting anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a month just by specializing in a niche like e-commerce or real estate. It happens fast.
And listen, do not ignore this massive multiplier. If you choose to position yourself specifically as an n8n AI workflow specialist, you aren't just building basic automations anymore. You're building AI agents into your client's systems. Because of that, you can comfortably command 3 to 5 times the rate of a standard automation build. It's a totally different league.
The market is completely wide open right now. Automation is fully transitioned from a luxury to an absolute necessity. You've seen the ease of Zapier, the visual power of Make, and the sheer, limitless AI potential of n8n. So the only question I have left for you is, which of these tools are you going to master first to revolutionize your workflow and your income?